What do you guys think? It's our new ride. We brought a brand new car because we're going to Alberta.
Ilaser.
That's right, we are traveling from Ontario to Alberta. Alright, so this is the very first trip in our brand new car, and the girls are our co-pilots. What do you think, Lucy? You like the big truck?
She's got one ear down.
You like that big truck?
One ear down, one ear up.
And Pooh Bear is sitting on her captain chair.
Oh my goodness.
She's in charge of the Tim Hortons. Sure, and everything, it's awesome. Day is here, and as you can see, we're packed. We're very packed. We've loaded up our truck. This is our new truck. And like, Ilena is probably the best packer I've ever seen in my life, because look at this. Not a single inch. We are on our way. Say bye to the old house for the time being. Don't get the number. This will be our house for the next 5 days until we get to hotels and stuff. Winnie's gonna be sitting with us, so we're gonna, as you can see, I've got my mounts. We'll keep you guys along for the ride, so let's do this! You can't get any more packed than that. So we'll have a spot for us, and then Winnie's bed will go in the middle there. Rose has been cleaning out the garage and moving everything, and we've been trying to figure out what we're taking. We will be out of the house for like probably 3 or 4 months, and then back at Christmas. The first clip of the vlog of the travel road trip. Cheers. Cheers. I'm gonna miss this, that's for sure. Ugh, our beautiful porch. I'm gonna miss these two being together. Lucy, I'm gonna miss you. You gonna miss Lucy, Winnie? GoPro set up there, and then I've also got a place for our cell phones. Pretty emotional time, because parents came to see us off, and family and everything like that, so we have shades on for a reason. And Lena has shades on for a reason.
Yeah, but we can't talk because I'm fucking Rudolph.
Right. Yeah.
And we're going back home because we decided we don't want to do this.
Yeah, Elena's decided that we're not doing it. We're not doing it anymore.
I'm like this close to saying that, so
no, don't. It's just the first time she's been away from home. It's the first time she's driving across country. It's the first time for a lot of stuff. There's a lot of uncertainty about going to a whole new province and all that stuff.
It's so easy to say no. It's so easy to just stay.
I know. It's so easy to be in that comfort zone, but you're going to have so much fun. It's going to be so fun. It's going to be a new adventure. It's a year out of our how many lives? Like, it's so much fun. I say I'm embracing it. Just whatever happens, happens, and if it sucks, we come home. Queenie Bear's got her own little bed, but she'll be coming over to Daddy more times than I can ever do. Plus, she's sniffing the blanket. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's pretty good. We are now on the road officially. 10 minutes into 37 hours. Oh, shut up. And I'm already done. Doing a quick little driver change. Elaine is now sitting passenger and taking after the Pooh Munchkin. And I'm taking the wheel. We're taking the wheel. We're switching her up.
Jesus, take the wheel.
And we got some pre-made lunch we're gonna snack on. Okay, so that's weird. My camera just stopped recording for no reason. I gotta fix that. We are gonna go off. Next stop, Sudbury. Wow! Isn't that hot? So we stopped, and Elena's like, look, there's a frog. And then I went, look, there's a gardener snake. And she's like, there's no gardener snake. And then there's the frog. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hello, buddy. Hi, bye. Another frog.
Let me touch him.
Where is he? See that? We get out of the car and there's nature everywhere. Including Winnie taking a pee. She's like, I want to be outside. I've been inside for 5 hours. It's a geologist's dream. See the sulfur? See the orange? That's volcanic sulfur from beneath the Earth's core that came up, or the Earth's crust, I should say, that came up. So this is the city of Sudbury. And there's Science North up on the hill, the big dome building. It is Winnie's first night in a hotel. What do you think, Munchkin? She is loving it. She's come in and she's been sniffing. No problems! Right up on the... Look at that! You're such a good girl! So this is our first night in Sudbury. What do you think, love? You just glad to be off the road?
It wasn't like too crazy of a day.
No?
No, but like really exhausted though because I didn't sleep at all last night. So
Yeah.
hopefully tonight, like, we'll just go to bed, like eat so much food, pass out, wake up like super early, and just like it in the ass tomorrow.
Okay.
I've been listening to a lot of Notorious B.I.G. At least I didn't say the second part.
Yeah, she's like a gangster rapper now. Pretty happy just to be inside and out of the car and running around. Take her collar off, Minnie. Oh no, Minnie!
Come here, Colin.
Playing. She's playing. I am going to relax because I've been in a car for the first time longer than an hour. And she did really, really well. She didn't get sick. She got a little stir crazy toward the end, which is fine.
No, the middle.
Toward the middle.
And then the end, it was like, look, I can look at the window. Gee. Look at the quality.
Look at the 60 frames.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I wanted.
Watch this. I said, now we're cooking with peanut oil.
Oh, peanut! Peanut butter oil?
Would you like some peanut butter oil?
Oh, peanut butter oil on my bone piece. Now this is a hotel party. Do you like your peanut butter? Do you like the peanut butter stinky face? We can usually tell by how many licks afterwards she likes it. Of fortune. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What are you doing?
We paid for this hotel room.
Someone had pizza and then a treat. And then she went outside to go to the bathroom and now she is wound. Are you okay, look, just because it's your first time in a hotel room, you can't stay up like a sleepover. Oh my gosh! This is what happens when you keep her in a car and then you release her to the wild. You're going nuts. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at that face. What are you doing? You're nuts. What are you doing? You're nuts. First time in a hotel room, and she just trashing it. And that's the last time I get you into the wet bar, young lady. Hi. You want to come up? Come on up. Come up. Come here. Oh my gosh. Come here. Come up.